Will Lean Six Sigma be around for a long time? Will it be around in 10 years, in 15 years, in 20 years? This is a question that comes up a lot as we jump into our certifications and different career goals. We think about, is this a role that's going to continue being around? I'm Amanda Zimmerman. I'm a Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt, and I help make continuous improvement possible, practical, and easy, no matter where you're at in the world. So let's talk a little bit more in this video about whether or not continuous improvement or Lean Six Sigma is going to be around in the long term. Now, already you may have noticed that I use some words synonymously that maybe you didn't realize were the same. So to me, I would use continuous improvement, process improvement, Lean Six Sigma. I would use those all to describe what we do. Now, other teams might use terms like Agile or Scrum. In my mind, that's simply applying lean tools to software development or to whatever industry you're using Agile within. Now, I highlight this because I think it goes to the heart of this question. Will Lean Six Sigma be around for the long term? One of the things we get caught up in Lean Six Sigma is with all of these names, all this nomenclature, all these buzzwords. We have to call it a Kaizen, we have to call it a Kanban board, right? What I want to highlight is that whether or not we call it Lean Six Sigma, continuous improvement, process improvement, what we're talking about is activities that reduce or eliminate waste and perfect our processes so that we can give the most value to our customers. I don't care what you call it. I don't care if you call it Lean or Agile or Kata. At the end of the day, you're taking these tasks, you're organizing them in some way to be more efficient and effective. Regardless of what we call these, that will continue into the future. In the future, we will need to become more efficient and more effective. And people that can help do that will be valuable to the organization. So what I recommend is not being pigeonholed within one type of continuous improvement, such as Kata or Lean or quality, but actually make sure that you have a wide breadth of knowledge within continuous improvement so that you can understand how to apply it in different industries, in different contexts, and then how to make your processes more efficient and more effective. It won't matter the industry. It won't matter what we're calling it in 2050. You'll still be able to help organizations perfect and simplify their process to achieve value for their customers. So in my opinion, yes, Lean Six Sigma will be around into the future. We may not call it that, but those activities, those tools that you are learning will be valuable regardless of what industry or where you end up in the world.